Hey there, I'm Reanna, your backpacking bestie from Australia. In this video, we're diving into the wild monkey forest, chasing Tegenungan Waterfall, and eating our way through Ubud's tastiest spots. We then road trip it up to Bali's northeast for jaw-dropping temples, the crystal clear waters of Amed Beach, and dreamy Taman Tirta Gangga. So this channel is not just about the destination, it's about the besties we meet along the way that make every place so special. So come with me today to explore Bali.
Chloe has sadly left us, so it is just me and Anna for one more night. Let's get a coffee and get some food. We are going here at Novus. Selamat pagi! Yeah! Oh wow, this looks so good. I think this is well deserved after this morning's hike. I'm back getting a massage at the same place. So I'm at Bali Star. It was way too good. I am back again. All right, so it's 10,000 to get in. Let's go. This place is literally how I remember it. I haven't been here in years. It's gorgeous. Which way would you like to go? Do you want to go this way? Oh. Oh, is that it? Oh, okay. All right, we'll get back down. Oh, she's laughing with us. Oh my gosh, there's so many people. And I got Mele with me. Yay! This is dangerous territory. Mele, you protect me. I'm scared. Do you want to feed one a banana?
No, thank you.
You're fine. I got a banana in my handbag just in case. If they attack us, then we throw the banana and run. We have snacks. We brought bananas. Cheers. Hey, little one. Oh, look at him. Oh, he's gorgeous. Oh, I love him. Oh, I think I'm in love with these guys. Oh, was it good? It looks yummy. So how did you find the monkey forest?
Really good.
Yeah? Recommend it? Yeah. Guys, we can't stop coming to this place. It's so good. Cheers, guys. Cheers. How many dinners have you ordered?
3.
Just 3. I'm jealous. Just a bit hungry. And what did you get?
This is my chicken leg.
Nice. Just a leg. Just a little leg. And what did you get?
I'm skinny. I got a eggplant curry.
Yum! And I don't have my food yet. As always, I'm always last. All right, we are here for breakfast. Terima kasih. Isn't this beautiful? This is cool, right?
Great.
Yum!
Nice.
Excellent. You ready for today?
Yeah.
Woohoo! I'm trusting Mele with my life today. Let's go! Bye, Anna! Miss you! Terima kasih. All right, we are going to the waterfall at, well, how do you pronounce that? Tegenungan village.
Oi.
Moi means beautiful in Dutch. Moi. All right, we've made it to the waterfall. Let's go have a swim. water was absolutely amazing. Now we are just going for a walk around the waterfall now. So let's go. Thank God for this handrail. All right, we're back on the bike again. We're going to a coffee plantation. Let's go.
Coffee.
Yeah?
We didn't have too much bean of coffee, just one or two because already harvest, yeah? Yeah, so the bean of coffee look like this.
I have this in my backyard. I have a
Really?
coffee tree in my backyard.
Ready fruit or not? Then put inside the coffee.
Ah, is he sleeping right now? Or does he sleep through the day?
It's not
I-
animal.
Is he a night animal? I thought so. I want to keep one. They're so cute. So we get to try all of these. And we also have a beautiful view. Happy. Not bad?
Weird.
Weird.
It's just
So which one was this? This was the avocado coffee. I've never had avocado coffee either.
no, it's like
It's
I don't expect this when I drink coffee.
no, either do I. It's a bit interesting. So how was your first tea experience? Oh, and coffee experience, should I say?
It was quite nice flavor.
It was quite good, wasn't it? It's unexpected, right?
Yeah, really unexpected.
Who would have thought poop would taste so good? No. All right, it is time for lunch. Where do we go? Through here?
Hello.
Hello. Siang. We were literally eyeing off this place to sit the whole time we're waiting for someone else to leave. Now it is available and we are running. How cute is this? We did it! Terima kasih.
Sama-sama. This and then I will remove the small glass.
Yes. Terima
Thank you.
kasih.
Terima kasih.
Yum.
Just there? No, I'm good. Thank you.
This looks so good. Let's dig in. Yay! We are fed, we are happy, and now we are going to the rice terraces. Let's go! Chala bye! We made it to the rice fields. We made it! Yay! It's beautiful, isn't it? Can't get sick of it. We just can't get lost in here, which is highly probable. I love Ubud. Guess who's back? It is 6 o'clock. We are on our adventure to the west of Bali. Let's go! Oh, it's just about to rain. We've done a pit stop because it's been like nearly 2 hours and our knees and our asses are hurting. Oh my gosh. Isn't this insane? So we've just parked the bike. We are getting breakfast here. Oh my gosh, that was such an amazing ride. We came for the view, but as you can see, it's not really a view right now, isn't it? We definitely need this. It's really cold up here. Terima kasih. This looks so good. Enak. This looks so nice. Dig in. We are just walking to Lempanang Temple now. We're definitely going to get some fruit on the way back. Merle, your legs. I have to do 2 steps for every step of yours.
Thank you.
Terima kasih. Apa kabar?
Baik.
Baik.
Nah, bagaimana?
Baik. Nice.
Terima kasih. Silahkan.
Pedik terima kasih. Wow. Cantik. So they have like a numbering system for you to go take a photo in the main spot. Isn't that crazy? I guess it's good, right? Then you get a good shot. It's like roughly probably an hour wait just to get a photo with the gate. Is it worth it?
No.
Let's go. Ah, terima kasih. You take it. I've already had it before.
Thank you. What is the fit also?
Oh, that's okay. We have passion fruit as well. What is that? Oh, okay. That's okay. We'll just get this one if that's okay. Is that okay? I don't know what they are. Can you eat them now? Like, do we have to cut it or?
Like this.
Oh, you okay? Yeah. I want to see. I don't know how to make it. What's your review on the jackfruit? Oh, my favorite! I love these. Enak, sangat enak. Yeah. All right, have some of these. These are sweet.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Mmm.
Good? Oh, that's okay. We'll just pay for these 3. We made it to Amed Beach. All right, we are at Jolly Best View Cafe. Let's go get some lunch and a drink. Salam. We are playing some shithead.
I have 4.
Oh, great. Terima kasih. We are off to Tirta Gangga for another temple run. Let's go. You can see the massive storm coming. And we have to drive through that. We made it to Taman Tirta Gangga. Is that how you pronounce it? Okay, this is very pretty. Hopefully the weather holds up while we're here. At least it's not too hot, which is perfect. In time. All right, it's time for dinner. Oh, this looks authentic.
What?
Happy hour?
Happy hour?
Yeah. Is it always happy hour? Yeah. So we got a beef. Ranganang. Oh, it's badang? Ranganang. Yum. And then we got, of course, migraine. And we got cocktails. Yay! Cheers!